Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So glad to see you here. I hope you'll subscribe before you leave and give me a thumbs up. Be the encourager. I hope you'll subscribe before you leave. Be part of our squad. We'd love to have you. We always enjoy seeing our friends around here. Give me a thumbs up before you go, and if you want to see what I bought at the Makeup Show New York at the Inglot booth from the J-Lo collection, and you want to do a little get ready with me, see how I used it, then go ahead and keep watching, because that's what we're doing today. Keep watching. Roll the camera. I really hope I remember to do an intro. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my Osmotics Blue Copper Lip and Tuck, which will help to plump the lips to get them ready for a lip application a little later on. I love this stuff. I have a couple different kinds of these, but this is the one that I truly, truly love. I prepped my face. I used this Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance. This is what I got for becoming Diamond. Is it Diamond? Whatever the highest thing is, this is what I got for becoming that at Ulta. This is not bad. It's a good gift. It's full size. I was pretty impressed. For my contour, of course, I have used my Pixie Strobe and Sculpt. And then I used to bronze a little bit because, I mean, we're going J-Lo. Come on, we got to bronze. I used my Pat McGrath Trio. I used the bronzing one. I haven't put on any highlighter yet because we're going to do that together. Oh, I used my Ket powder to set. My Ket Fix to set. I did put on some MAC 24-hour eye base. I found that in my stash. I decided to try to use up some eye bases in my stash instead of buying new ones. And normally I just use concealer, but I wanted my concealer to last a little longer. Concealer is so freaking expensive, so I decided I should use some eye primers that I already had. So let me show you what I got from the Inglot J-Lo collection while I was at the makeup show. This is a Makeup Forever compact. The lid comes off, so you can just put it underneath here if you're working on set or whatever, or if you're just a person like me doing YouTube, you can just throw it to the side and get it later. It does come with this plastic insert that you can put over the top or use as a mixing palette or whatever you want to do. As I go through these, I'll put the names of the colors on the screen because I don't know what they are offhand, but this obviously is a blush. And when I bought these to be kind of colors that I don't have anything like them, not to make it look all by itself. I kind of wish I would have bought stuff for a look all by itself, but you know, I didn't need to do that. So I'll be starting with some other colors as a base, and then we'll bring these in. Normally when I'm looking for something for a base, I'll use like this color or this color from the Kylie kit, even this color. The Kylie Take Me on Vacation palette. It's kind of my standard go-to. I use my crease brush, my Stilazzi 215, to just lightly blend in some base color. Wow, that MAC eye base made my lids really dry. Maybe we won't be using that in the future. It's pretty old, so that could be the problem. Let's get you in a little more so you can see my really bad circles and my really dry eyelids. That's a shame. Super dry. Now, because I don't have a transition color in here, I'm going to use this Cosetti. This is called Whisper. I'm going to use that in the crease. I want a little bit more of a definition type of placement, so I'm going to use my Esom S33. Yes, girl, yes. That's a beautiful color. Yes. You probably can't see it as well as I can close up, but yes, I blend it up here to kind of raise the eye. Here's the colors. This second one, which probably looks matte to you, it's kind of a beige, which is sort of a little bit grayed, and it has sparkles in it. It's really interesting. This is gorgeous. We're going to use this heavily. Yes, I like these. This is the only matte that I bought. This is like matte, but with some sparkle to it. And this is the blush. There you go. Swatch it again. Oh, let's get it back here so you can see it. Well, anyway, you'll see it on my face. So I'm going to take this and go in the crease a little bit. I'm going to use my Grwm 33 again to have kind of a spot of where I wanted, what am I trying to say? To have kind of a spot application. I'm going to start out here in the corner, and then I'm going to sweep it in. Just blend it out by sweeping it in. And then I'm going to take my Cosetti Whisper, which could be one of the best colors ever created, and just draw it through to blend over the top where the edges are. Then I'm going to take my W23, my W23 from Grwm, a nice flat brush, and I'm going to just take it into this matte color just a little bit like this. And I'm going to blend it in my brush a little bit, and then I'm just going to tap it on the very outside edge and up to the crease. I'm going to go back and take my Whisper from Cosetti, and I'm going to use it from about the middle out, a little bit towards the inside, but keeping in mind we'll probably do, you know, a highlight in there. I'm going to drag it out. We're going to finish up underneath in a little bit. I'm going to take this smaller W21 from Grwm, and I'm going to grab this copper from JLo. And I'm going to pat it on my lid from where we're blended to inner, taking it back and forth to blend between the two colors. Now I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to smush it in the color, and then I'm going to tap it on to get that brilliant copper glow. See the difference? I'm going to finish off under the eye. I'm going to take the deep dark brown and work it on the outer corner and then smudge it in. For the inner corner, I'm going to try some of this beigey with the sparkle, and it probably won't be bright enough, but I'm going to kind of use it as a blending color to where that brown came underneath. Then I'm going to use the frost that I have and go over that with a really teeny tiny brush. I think this is an e.l.f. brush. For an underbrow highlight, I'm going to take some of this Illum by Cosetti and just brush it up there. It's going to be really bright. I'd kind of like a matte color for the highlight, but ooh, look at that iridescence. Ooh. Maybe I should have used that for the inner corner. Man, that'd make a really great highlight. Oh my gosh, that is a gorgeous color. Okay, I'm gonna do some lashes, or mascara. I'm not gonna do lashes today, just mascara. Oh wait, let's do our eyeliner. Okay, let's do our eyeliner. Where do I wanna go? Do I wanna do black or do I wanna do a brown? I think I want to do brown. I'm going to use Buxom Smoky Sexy in Smoldering Brown. These are Kajal liners. They have this really cool, tip that you dip back into the powder in there and it refills it. This is like the no-brainer eyeliner because anybody can do it. You can make it thick, you can make it thin. It doesn't matter about your level of expertise. You just draw it across the line, the lash line. And this stays put. So if you have allergy eyes like I do, you don't need to worry about it with this liner. It stays put. Lately I've been using Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I don't usually try the latest mascara and all that stuff, you know, but I don't know. I decided to try this. I was hearing good reviews about it. I really like it. It doesn't smudge that much. And on me lately, everything smudges. So, I mean, this stands up really well in the Phoenix heat. I don't know, I think it gives a pretty dang good lash too. Okay, so let's do our blush. Like I'm asking, let's do our blush. Can we please do our blush? This is Ballerina and it makes me feel like a princess. I like. For highlighter, we have several things to choose from. I bought the Live in the Highlight Illuminator by JLo. This is for eyes, face, body. It's kind of golden champagne. Really bright highlight, right? I was thinking it would be really good for my body. Let's see, I'll look at you. I was thinking this would be a really good body highlighter for me. And then I was thinking that the Inglot by Danessa Myricks that I got would be a good, this is called Burn in Love and it's pink tone. So I thought that would be a good face highlighter for me. So I'm probably gonna go with Inglot, but I should show you what the JLo looks like on, right? Okay, I'll show you what the JLo looks like on because this is about JLo's makeup. So the JLo Inglot. I'm going to use my Tarte fan brush. I've bought another one of these. I like these so much. It's on the way. I'm going to blend it into the lid so that I don't get like a big spot of highlight somewhere. Ooh. Ooh. It's pretty. It's actually really pretty for my face. I really like it. It's like a light champagne-y gold, so it's a good kind of gold that I can wear. Both of these powders are sparkly. The Danessa Myricks is a little bit more sparkly. Let me show you some other things. JLo has some of these little pigment powders. This one's called Silver Dollar. Pink. I'm afraid that I'll spill it. Pink. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. It shows off, okay, you can't see it under this light, but it shows off yellow-green iridescence. And it also has that pink tone, so it's pink and yellow and green. So it's really, really cool, really unusual. And then I bought some of these body sparkles. Let's see if I can do this without. This is like a white with gold. I'll just show them. I'll try to get some swatches. I'll show them. This is a white with gold. Oh, this is the white with pink. This is the white with more sparkly violet. And this one is the most unusual. It's a maroon with some green in it. It's actually more like a violet with some blue to it. Kind of green, kind of blue. It's really unusual. Super unusual. It's more fuchsia than you would think by looking at it. So I want to show you the lips that I bought. You know, that booth was so packed. It was impossible to get into it. Eventually I just had to say to this girl, hey, can you grab me a couple of, nude type lips and a couple of glosses, just hand them back. So she's handing them over people's heads, and that's the only way I got to see anything. So anyway, these are my lips. This is J205. quality. This one is J217. And this one is more of a satin, and this one is more of a matte, but it's a creamy matte. It's not like a super dry matte. They're both nudes, pinky nudes, which is what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. And then I got 2 glosses. This girl did good. When she handed me these, I said, girl, you did good. That's what I like. This one is called Holy Moses. Actually, it's called Pinky. I don't know where that big drip of gloss went. Whoa. Called Pinky. It's peachy. This one's called Soft Rose. So I think for today's lip, I'll just pick something out and put it on. Oh, yeah. Maybe we'll do these 2. I'm going to blot down my Osmotics Blue Copper Serum. Oh, I was going to do a little bit of liner. Let me do a little bit of liner. I'm going to use this from Deck of Scarlet. This was with the Roxette Arisa group. This is like, this would become your new favorite nude lip liner. Here we go with the 217. And we decided on Pinky Lip Gloss to give it a little bit of J-Lo glow. And that is our J-Lo Inglot look for today, featuring a few other things. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If there's anything else you want to see, if you want to see tutorials with the pigments, just let me know down below. And thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye. I mean, seriously, what the floof is with this hair? Thanks for watching anyway. And actually, I think I want to change my lip color. I think I want to use the other one. Let's do that. Let's use the J205. It's called Fleur. I like this one best, I think. I don't know. I just like the pinkiness of it. And then let's use the Soft Rose lip gloss. Yeah, I love this combo, so I wanted to show you what it looked like. I really love it. I didn't show you the Cosetti shadows yet. But they've been in several videos already. They've been in several videos already. Isn't that something? Oh. The blackest black. They tell me this is the blackest black you'll ever use. So those are pretty. Those are my Cosetti shadows. There you go. Yes, I'm wearing 2 different polishes. Thanks for stopping by. Bye!